Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Vedika Jindal. So I'm back with another vlog on my channel. So today it's 4th of June 2021 and tomorrow it's my sister Brinda's birthday, which is the 5th of June. So I decided to vlog her birthday. So I'm starting this vlog with today's evening because me and my mom have decided to bake a small cake for her, like for a midnight celebration kind of thing. So yeah, hope it goes good. And one more thing, I won't be able to show you the complete recipe of that cake because if I do then the video would be so long, which I don't want, of course. So I'll definitely show you the baked cake. So yeah, hope it goes good, everything. Let's continue to the vlog. So this is the batter we prepared for the cake and now we'll bake it. So now the cake is baking, and while it's baking, let me tell you a fun story of her birthday. So now it happens every year, every single year on her birthday. So हर साल इसके बर्थडे पर लाइट चली जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द आंधी, क्योंकि कभी भी आंधी आती है इसके बर्थडे पर एंड लाइट चली जाती है. सो टुडे ऑल्सो दिस हैपेंड, हवा चली एंड लाइट चली गई. सो आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर दैट दिस ईयर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू सेलिब्रेट हर बर्थडे इन दीज हॉट समर्स विच इज सो डिस्गस्टिंग. And but I'm hoping that it should come till night and we are waiting, hope it comes, and I'm hoping cake अच्छा आ जाए. My mom and me, we baked it together, so hope it comes good. Guys, the cake is baked and बहुत ज़्यादा fluffy बना है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है केक देखने में. And now we're gonna decorate it. So yeah, now we are just spreading this cake with Nutella. And here the cake is ready, and it's looking so beautiful and it's looking so tempting. So it's decorated with some candies and chocolate cakes by my mom only, and it's just looking amazing. And we're gonna cut it at midnight 12 a.m. So she's Rinda. So now your birthday is there in 10 minutes, and here the cake is. So do you like the cake?
Yes, it's very nice.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey everyone, good morning. It's 8:35 June today, and वैसे मैं उठ तो 7 बजे गई थी, but right now I'm vlogging and वृंदा अभी नहाने गई हुई है. So to tell you guys, I have legit zero plans for today. एकदम कुछ प्लान ही नहीं कर रखा है मैंने for her birthday. But as the day will go on, I'll show you all things what all we do for today. And मैंने कल रात डिसाइड किया था कि I'll shoot her morning face kind of thing. जब वो उठेगी and then I'll just record her face. वो डालने दी थी या नहीं दी थी, that's another thing. But to blackmail her कि मैं कभी भी डाल दूँगी इसको, that thing, you know. But I could not because वो मुझसे पहले उठ गई, 1 घंटा 6 बजे वो उठ गई and I woke up at 7. So you know, this thing only a morning person can do, to shoot a morning face. But I'm not at all a morning person, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So now I'll just go and take a bath, and because मेरा ट्यूशन है 10 बजे का, it's online because of COVID-19. So 1 घंटा ट्यूशन चलेगा 11 बजे तक, and then I'll meet you after 11 a.m. So right now it's 11 a.m. और मेरा ट्यूशन अभी just अभी ख़त्म हुआ है. And so as you all know, today is 5th of June, which is also the World Environment Day. तो आज के दिन हम लोग एक basically plant करेंगे. So let's go and see what happens. So this is the hibiscus flower. So वैसे ज़्यादा प्लांटिंग हम लोगों ने नहीं कर रखी है. There are just 3 plants. Let me show it to you. So this one is periwinkle, sadabahar, and this one's hibiscus, which we planted today only. And ये पता नहीं कौन सा फ्लावर है, मुझे ही नहीं पता, मॉम ने ही प्लांट किया है, तो I don't know the name of this plant. Okay, so right now it's 3:30 and मैंने ऐसा कुछ प्लान नहीं किया, but I'm thinking to decorate the room. मैं कुछ वैसा कुछ नहीं करूँगी, balloons and all वो सब नहीं, but I'm thinking to decorate the room with a canopy. Like I'm thinking to make canopy. For those who all don't know what is canopy, I'll just like paste the picture over here. So it's something like tent like thing जो वृंदा को काफ़ी पसंद है. तो आई एम थिंकिंग टू मेक इट. अब मुझे पता नहीं वो कितनी ज़्यादा सुंदर बन के आएगी या नहीं आएगी. तो आई विल ट्राई मेकिंग इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई मॉम. अभी मम्मा वैक्सीनेशन के लिए गई हैं, आज उनके वैक्सीन लगनी थी. सो 10-20 मिनट्स में वो आएंगी. देन वील स्टार्ट मेकिंग दैट कैनोपी थिंग. Finally, after so long, 1 hour, our canopy is ready, and my mom and me made it together. So I'll show it to you. That's not that great, but ठीक है, पहली बार बनाई है तो I'm loving it. So it's 7 right now, and cake भी हम लोग ले आए हैं, and I'm also ready, and Brinda is also ready. So वो उसने अभी तक ये canopy decoration नहीं देखा है, वो अभी तक दूसरे ही रूम में थी. So now we're gonna show it to her, and let's hope she like it. So yeah. Guys! Wow! Amazing! So yeah, we had our dinner, and that's it for the day. Hope you like this vlog. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment down below. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.